Welcome to Tech Tree. Myself Vineet. In this video, we will build some code based on the given scenario, based on the given problem statement. Here we have the problem statement is, here we have internet service provider, which internet service provider have many kinds of internet plan like domestic plan and commercial plan. Based on the plan, we have to generate internet bills. We will solve this problem by a factory design pattern. Currently we have only two type of plans, but in future we could have many plans. So we will look into this, how we can solve the problem using factory design pattern. So let's open Eclipse. First we have to design the class. So let's create a class. Let's say class internet bill. Let's make it abstract class, because this will be the super class of all kind of plans. We have bill amount, and we have another method get rate. Let's create a constructor. So based on the units, we will calculate bill amount. Let's generate setter getter. Now we will create plans. Let's say we have a class domestic plan, that will extend internet bill. Let's say we have, for domestic plans, we have a bill rate of 3.5. Now we will create another class. Commercial plan. This class will also extend internet bill. For commercial plan, let's say we have rate of 4.5. We can also get, in place of returning this constant value, we can also get the value from database. But here we are discussing factory design pattern. Let's say we can write the logic here, any logic here, to get the rate. Now we can create a enum like bill type. let's define the build types that we have currently. Let's say domestic plan and commercial plan. We can add many plans here. Now create a factory class. Internet will factory, let's say. Here we can create a method generate bill. So based on the unit that we have spent and based on the bill type, we will generate internet bill. Let's add the switch. For case domestic plan, we will create instance of domestic plan. For commercial plan, we will create instance of commercial plan. So based on the condition, we are creating instance over here. For default, we can set this bill to null, or we can create any other class like default default amount, then we can generate here, but it's depend on requirement. Let's say add return statement. Right, so factory is ready. Currently this is static, and we can make this class as singleton if we want to implement dependency injection, and if we want to inject this class anywhere. So for dependency injection, I will create another video. As of now, this class is static because I don't want to maintain any state over here, so this is fine. Let's create a test class and test our factory method, factory design pattern. So what I have done, I have created the internet bill for commercial plan, the unit that has the commercial for unit. Suppose they have spent 100 unit for 100 unit. Similarly, I have generated another bill for domestic plan for 100 unit. See, unit is same. Now let's print the bill amount. Commercial bill dot get bill amount and domestic bill dot get bill amount. Let's run this class. See, we have different values. For commercial we have 450, for domestic we have 350. So based on the implementation, the output could be different. So this is the factory example of factory design pattern. Here we are just creating the object. We don't know about the implementation. We are using factory to create object. Whenever the benefit of this design pattern is, if new plan comes in the picture, we have to just change this enum, and we have to change this factory, and we don't need to touch any other implementation, so very less chance to make mistakes, and it is loosely coupled. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.